how to create an X thread. So if you want to create an X thread, then what you need to do is you just need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then you need to search for X threads. Once you've searched here, you need to go for the first search, which is x.com threads. So once you're here, you need to simply go to the home page, click on home, and then go for the home page. Once you're here on the home page, you need to go for what's happening, click on it, and then you can like simply enter some thread. So for example, I'll be writing hello. Once you've written, now you can also add some other thread, which is you can simply click on the plus icon, which is here on the bottom right of that thread, and then you can add another post. And then if you want to add it again, then again go for click, and you can again add another post. And you can choose if you want to add some media like photos or some gifs, or you can also add a poll if you want to, and you can add some emojis, and you can also add some locations and everything. And you can choose the privacy, so if you want everyone to reply to that thread or to that post, then you can choose everyone can reply, or you can simply click on it and then you can see who can reply. You can choose anything. And then once you've added your posts, you can simply click on post all, which is here on the bottom right, and then click on got it. And that's it. That's how you can create an X thread. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.